Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is friend Shinobi, and in today's video we're gonna check out a pretty affordable pair of TWS earphones from Boat. These are the Boat AirDopes 161, which were recently released for about the price of $12.99, but you can get them for a price of 999 rupees. Yes, that's correct. A budget pair of TWS earbuds for under 1000 rupees. And honestly, I'm really impressed with these. So I'm gonna tell you all about them. First, we're gonna unbox it, and then we're gonna go into the details. So if you're interested in this particular topic, make sure to stick till the end, and let's get started. So first of all, we have the standard Boat packaging, and you can see a lot of features here and there mentioned on the box itself. So we're gonna quickly tear out the plastic, and I'm gonna show you around. So as you can see on the back, there are a few features mentioned here and there: 10mm drivers, ASAP charging, and all that stuff. So yes, these do come with a type of fast charging, and yeah, as you can see, the design looks kind of similar to the AirPods Pro, and it surely is. If you would get the white version, it would look exactly like the AirPods Pros, but yes, there are some differences here and there. Now let's just quickly open up the box and let's check what is inside. So after opening up the box, you'll get a lot of stuff inside, especially a lot of paperwork. I don't know why they are including so much paperwork and wasting so much paper on these useless stuff. So you can just give a manual and a warranty information, and yeah, that's it. But they have included so many ads of their own products and all that. These are all useless things. Nobody ever reads them and stuff. So they should just discard all this like garbage from the box. So apart from the paperwork, we do get a short USB-C cable. That's a good thing, and we get a few extra ear tips. The medium ones are already like attached on the earbuds, I believe, and we have the small and the large ones in this particular small packet. So these were the things that were in the back, and on the front you can see there are the earbuds in the plastic wrap itself. And yeah, as you can guess, these kindly look like the AirPods Pros. The case also looks like the AirPods Pros, but the case is really shiny. I got them in the blue color. They're available in 3 or 4 colors, I believe. I'll leave the Amazon link down below. It's my affiliate link. You can check it out from there, and you can also buy it from there. It will help the channel. So yeah, these look like the AirPods Pro. There is very minimal branding. There's only a Boat logo at the front and nothing else. And as you can see, the case is shiny. Like it's plastic and it's shiny, so it will attract a lot of fingerprints, but I've gone for the darker color so it doesn't show the fingerprints that much. And yeah, the white color probably doesn't show anything, and the black one will show the most. So yes, I went with the blue color, and yeah, the blue one looks really nice. It gives you the stealthy vibe and also kind of a stylish look. So yes, the case is really lightweight, honestly, and it is entirely made out of plastic. It doesn't feel that premium, it feels kind of cheap, but yeah, it is what it is. You can get on a TWS for like under 1000 rupees. So yeah, the case is pretty good, and yeah, opening up the case, we do have the earbuds inside, and yeah, there are some writings here and there written here. At the bottom of the case, you'll see the USB Type-C port, and there's a LED status light which is not aligned properly with the USB-C port, which really annoys me. But yeah, we can not do anything. So Boat, if you like make another version of this, just make sure to align that notification LED with the Type-C port. So apart from that, there's nothing else on the box. The box is completely clean, and yeah, there's also no pairing button or status button. So yeah, in order to pair it with your device, you just have to open the lid and it will show up in your Bluetooth settings. You can pair it from there. And if you want to pair it with secondary devices, you have to disconnect it from the primary device, and then put the earbuds in the case and keep the lid open with the earbuds inside the case, and it will show up in the Bluetooth options. So it's always in a pairing mode kind of if it's not connected to a device. So yeah, that's how you pair it with different devices. There's no multi-point connection or anything like that. You cannot expect something like that at this price. Alright, let's talk about the earbuds themselves. So the earbuds, as you can see, have 10mm drivers on each one of them. So yeah, these are dynamic drivers, so it's probably gonna be bass heavy. And the design is, as I told you, inspired from the AirPods Pro, kind of like similar, almost similar, only the stem is a little different. But yes, these earbuds are really comfortable to wear. They fit really well in your ears. They are very snug, and they won't fall off even if there is a lot of action going on. So that's probably a very good thing. And yeah, these are very lightweight, so they won't give you ear fatigue after longer listening sessions. And yeah, talking about the longer listening sessions, the battery life on these are not great. They give you about 3 to 3.5 hours of like listening time on the earbuds, and the case can charge them for about 2 or 3 times more. So the case can give about 13 to 14 hours of additional battery backup, so a total of 16 to 17 hours of battery backup you're gonna get. I was getting about 3 hours from the earbuds, so yeah, it's kind of okay, I would say. It's not that great, but this is what you get for under 1,000 rupees. And I'm talking about that because there are a very few choices in like this, good choices under 1,000 rupees right now. The build of the case is pretty good. As I mentioned, the earbuds are also really nice, they fit really well. And now let's talk about the audio quality. So the audio quality is really good, I would say. There is a decent stereo separations on the left and right ears, and yeah, the sound stage is not very wide, but the sound is bass heavy for sure. So yeah, it does seep into other instruments sometimes, but the vocals and stuff are really crispy and really clear. And yeah, these type of earphones are really good for like bass heavy music, EDM, hip hop and all that, which has a lot of kicks and drums and all that. But yeah, this is not really meant for music which has a lot of strings and stuff, because those sound very weird. But yeah, this is for bass lovers. And yeah, but the audio is tuned really well on these. So yeah, I've used them for a few days and I really like listening to music on these, and because these are first of all really lightweight and very comfortable to wear, and secondly these sound really good for like general music. So yes, that's my verdict about the audio quality. And the mic quality is also like pretty good for regular usage, I would say. It works fine. Hey everyone, so this is being recorded through the mics of the Boat AirDopes 161. This is how it sounds inside. I am inside right now, no fans or anything are going on. Only my laptop is running, and yeah, there's very little to no environmental noise around here. So this is how the mics sound on the Boat AirDopes 161. So for the controls, you do have touch controls on both of the earbuds. So if you just tap once on any one of the earbuds, the music will stop playing. You can play or pause using either one of them. And when you double tap on the right earbud, it will skip to the next track. And when you double tap on the left earbud, it will skip to the previous track. So yeah, these are very convenient controls, and these are the good ones. You don't have any volume controls on them, but yeah, these are good enough. And there's also no connection drops when you're near the device, but yeah, the connection range is not that great, even though this comes with Bluetooth 5.0. So yeah, that's my kind of review, first impressions, whatever you may call it, about the Boat AirDopes 161. So yeah, I used them for 3 to 4 days, and then I'm giving you my opinion about this. This is a very casual video. I'm not really feeling well, I'm kind of sick, so yeah, that's why my voice is a little weird right now. But this is my verdict about the Boat AirDopes 161. And yeah, they are a very good choice if you're considering buying a TWS earbud under 1000 rupees. So yeah, as I mentioned, the links will be down in the description to purchase them. Go ahead, those links. Those are my affiliate links. It helps the channel. And yeah, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and definitely subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. With that said, I'm your friend Shinobi, and I'm signing out. Peace.